Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It is me, Brianna, and I am getting these videos out to you. This is another sponsored video from Annivia here, and this is a wig that you could just put on and go, y'all. And I hope y'all like this wig because most of y'all liked these curly wigs that you can just slap on your head and go. So I want y'all to stay tuned and keep on watching and see how I put this on my head, y'all. It is so cute and I love this style. I love the earrings that I put with it. It's giving sexy, it's giving classy vibes. And I just love it. I want y'all to keep on watching. So if y'all want to see how I did this, then keep on watching. The cut crease queen, yeah. You got what you need, yeah. You know what I mean, yeah. The go-to stylist, treat you like a diamond. Everything is love with it. Hey y'all, welcome back to another video. It's me, your girl Brianna, and we are here with the sponsor video, y'all. So right here, I'm just showing y'all my hair molded back before I apply this wig on. So this is the wig, and this is what it came in. The bag, it just has the logo of the company, Annivia Hair. And this is the wig right here, y'all. This is a synthetic afro curly wig, y'all. And it came with wig caps and also hoop earrings and some tattoo stickers. And that's all that came in the bag. So this wig is fairly easy to apply. So all you're going to do is basically apply the wig cap. If you want to, if you prefer to apply it, you can. But if you don't want to, all you have to do is take the wig out of the bag and apply it on your head. But for me, I like anything with wigs to have a wig cap under it. So I'm going to spray this wig cap down with some even, this is basically lace gel, but it's like an active spray. That's just to basically hold this wig cap down. So I'm just spraying this and blow drying it till it gets dry, and then I can put it behind my ear and it will stay. If you try to do this without any kind of adhesive or any hold, it's not going to stay. It's going to keep sliding off and everything like that. So the last thing I want to do is basically put some powder. This is Fenty soft matte foundation powder in the shade 430, and I'm just applying this all over the wig cap. I should just use my cream because that's way better, but I'm going to start talking, so I'm going to meet y'all when it's time to apply this wig. We're back with the hair review, y'all. This is how the wig comes, y'all. As y'all can see, it came in a bag, delivered to me, and tissue paper. It was wrapped inside of the black net, and this is how it comes. This is a wig, and this is a wig that you can put on and go. A wig that you can put on and go, and I love these type of wigs, y'all. I really do, y'all. This is the wig brand, and the tag is on there. Annivia Queen's Choice Afro Kiki Curly Hair Wig, and we're about to put it on. Ooh. I think if I fluff it out some more or like break up the curls, that it will be even prettier. I'm about to cut these curls and kind of break them up. Yeah, I think my mom gonna do it.
Alright, y'all, so I am back. So this is the wig and this is the lip combo that I did. Um did this is the lip combo that I did, y'all. And yeah, this is the hair, y'all. Don't forget to go check out Annivia hair in the description bar below. All links will be listed down below. This was a quick and easy wig to achieve. As you can see, I put it right on my head and my mom came in and just framed it right on my face. All links and also the style of the wig and the inch of this wig will be in the description bar below. So don't forget to go check that out. And until then, I will see you guys on my next tutorial.